I have a brand new book out. It's called Manga 100, The Cute Collection. If you ever want to know how to draw appealing characters of all types, what's the biggest and most important trait you could give your manga character? It would probably be cuteness. And this book has 100 of them and techniques to show you how to do it. There are over 100 characters in this, and I'm going to flip through and show you just a few of them and some techniques to go with it. You might be surprised that there are actually techniques you can use to create cute characters. Now here's a very simple one. When doing different hairstyles, and this is an entire chapter on hairstyles, let the hair add volume to the top. Pat it on the top. What that does is it makes the forehead look bigger and the mouth part look a little smaller, which is a combination that looks cute on many characters. Let me flip. I want to get as many in as I can. I'm excited to show these to you. All right, here is drawing the body, the cute body. You know, people say the body's flexible. Draw a flexible body. But what type? What part? It's this little triangle in here. That's the flexible part. Right here. That's it. And also the proportions are very important to maintain. This line shows you the halfway point on the body. And that's at the bottom of the hips. On all characters. You can change it if you like, but it's good to know the baseline. Let's flip to here. Oh, poses. Lots of stuff on cute and appealing poses. As you can see, this pose has a lot of attitude, but you don't have to work all that hard. It's not something you need to have someone always brandishing, a shield or this or that. A good pose can be a simple pose. I think you'll like the ones in this book. All right, so coming down to the end of this video, but let me show you a couple of more things really quickly. Yeah, showing you how to also set up a cute scene. This school character is very cute and is embarrassed because everything in the locker is being seen and it's full of clutter. So how does that work? Well, you have a little guy right here, kind of a short fellow, behind her, and a large look at a guy in front of her that's only half completed. The only character who's full-figured really here is the main character, which draws you to the center of attention. And here are the steps and the comments showing you what you could do. You can use it on anything. These are basic principles. And then there is some more on poses. This is a great pose, I think. And this is someone getting ready to make or lose the winning play as she stretches as hard as she can. Notice the concentration, the eye to the ball. I mean, there's just no wavering. So what do you think? Think she makes it? I'll leave that up to you. I think she does. And let's go to the last chapter. Show you something that's kind of cool here. A lot of stuff packed with instructions. Oh, this is a very cool and kind of forward-looking chapter. It's about AI, artificial intelligent robots. Pets you'd play with, but they're really robots. Here's a simple one to start off with. It's the basic robot orb. As you can see, there's almost nothing to the outside, but it's done in such a way with small eyes, little features, and the way it's placed gives it a very cute look. Remember, cute is simple. So there you go. It comes out September 5. I hope it's going to be everywhere. I hope you get it. Manga 100, The Cute Collection. Thanks. Bye-bye.